YouTube. We're out here on some shenanigans. Let's see how the Team Corrali likes this flight. Perfect landing in the grass. Okay, nice shot. Let's try it again. Lost power. Lost. What the world is that about? Y'all ever seen some shit like that? They don't know what to do. Yeah, they don't know what the world is doing. Huge sin. Beautiful. That wasn't no good. No. Uh-oh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Beautiful fly. Ouch. On the Team Corrali, unfortunately, I missed some of my footage, and then as you can see, we got some bendage in the center brace. We got my motor wires are coming out of here, guys. That's what's going on. They are shorting out of my motor in here, so I push them in and it makes contact again, motor takes right off. So we got that going on. My ESC wires, like I said yesterday when I jumped, it ripped them all the way in half. They're not ran in the right spots either right now. So we're going to rip this apart. I'm trying to tell you, we did see, because I won't lie about nothing on this one. Chassis is tweaked, as you can see. It's got a little slight bend here and back here. I don't even know if that's bent back here, if just the plastics come off, honestly, because yeah, but it is tweaked the tiniest. It's not bent this way, it's straight pretty much. It's just on the side, it's tweaked up a little bit right here in the corners. But other than that, she is good. And this thing takes a whooping, y'all, a whooping. Now I know what's wrong with it. I know I need to do a complete rehaul on this thing and tear the motor out of it, put a new motor in it probably. I think I might put my Max 8 G2 combo in here with not the censored motor though, because the censored motor is 4,000 kV and that's just would be too high for this, I think. So yeah, we're gonna get her back out ripping. But there's nothing wrong with this ESC. It's actually kicking a lot of butt, so I might just switch out the motor and leave at 150, and there's no point in changing it when the truck's phenomenal. It does everything I want it to do now. So I don't honestly know if I'll change it. And this one